5 investigates tonight. They are government employees injured on the job, too hurt to work, collecting a disability pension.
But Kathy Curran finds that hundreds of retirees may be breaking the rules, earning more money than the law allows.
Former Medford firefighter Paul Conway claims he's too hurt to work. But 5 investigates discovered he's been earning big money in the roofing business for more than a decade, ever since he retired in 2000 on a disability pension. These photos obtained by 5 investigates show Conway climbing up the ladder and on the roof during one job. The state says he's earning more money than is allowed by law.
I think the majority of the 15,000 plus individuals that we have in our database are in fact playing by the rules.
But when it comes to Mr. Conway, you don't think that's the case at all?
That's correct.
Conway earns a disability pension of about $39,000 a year. Under state law, he's still allowed to work, but he can only earn an additional $24,000 a year. And according to the state, he's earned much more.
Records obtained by 5 investigates show in a 4-year period, Conway's former company, ACS Roofing and Construction, made more than $1 million. And as a result, the state says Conway has to pay back $154,000 of his pension. Numbers released by PERAC, the state agency that regulates public disability pensions, show hundreds of disabled retirees violating the earnings law at a cost of $3.9 million over the last 3 years. Conway claims all of his company's earnings really weren't his at all because he transferred all the stock in his roofing company to his wife, Deborah. From that point on, he says, any money earned was earned by his wife, not him.
You believe that he intentionally hid that income?
The surveillance that we conducted showed that he was in fact working, that he was falsifying the income that he was earning.
From where I sit, I still don't know exactly what he was doing in the business.
Attorney Michael Sacco represents dozens of retirement boards across the state.
I can't say that I know what his intention was.
Another alleged over-earner is retired West Springfield police officer Thomas Deneen, who hurt his ankle on the job and has been receiving a disability pension since 2009. Deneen is part owner of 4 bars. PERAC says his share of the profits put him well over the earnings limit and that he owes the state more than $111,000.
We believe he's managing the businesses actively.
He wasn't working behind the bar, he wasn't working in the kitchen, he wasn't doing any of the finances. That's not excess earnings.
And Paul Conway is appealing the latest decision against him. The West Springfield Retirement Board and a state administrative magistrate sided with Thomas Deneen, but PERAC has appealed that decision. There was no comment from Conway, Deneen, or their lawyers. Kathy Curran, 5 Investigates.